The FIRE number in finance stands for Financial Independence Retire Early. It's the amount of money you need to save and invest to live comfortably without working for the rest of your life. Calculating your FIRE number helps you understand how much you need to achieve financial independence. Let me show you how to calculate your FIRE number. First, you need to determine your annual expenses. This must include everything like rent, groceries, utilities, entertainment, travel, and any other personal expenses. For example, if your total annual expenses are 6 lakhs, that's your starting point. Second, estimate your retirement lifestyle. You have to decide if you'll spend more or less after retiring. Adjust your annual expenses based on this. Let's say you want to maintain the same lifestyle, so you stick with 6 lakhs per year. Next, you use the 25x rule, which is to multiply your annual expenses by 25. This rule assumes you'll withdraw 4% of your savings each year to live on, which is considered a safe withdrawal rate. So 6 lakhs into 25 equals to 1.5 crores. This is your FIRE number. And lastly, adjust the amounts for inflation and taxes. I'd actually recommend instead of using the 25x multiplier, use a 50x multiplier. That is your super FIRE number. In summary, if your annual expenses are 6 lakhs, you'll need 1.5 crore as your FIRE number and 3 crores as your super FIRE number. Now, I'm sure you might wonder how to save up so much money. Well, wait for my weekly Friday finance videos. I have a lot of hacks in store for you. So like, share, and follow for more tips. Peace.